Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the audience manager, understanding how audience targeting can be done, custom audiences you can create, and then looking at the comment section, which you can manage as well. So let's have a look at this. So once you're on the platform and we go to tools under audience, you have audience manager. This allows you to create different types of audiences, which you can then target with your ads. So here you can create custom audiences and lookalike audience. Custom audience are specifically those type of audiences who have interacted with your business in one form or the other. So now you have their data and you can use that data to target them with your TikTok ads. So this audience type, custom audiences can be of various types. For example, the first one is customer file. Customer file basically means where since users have been coming to your website and doing business with you, buying products and services from you, they must have opened an account with you and provided their details, like their name, email address. So you can upload that in customer file. And now with that information, TikTok ads can target them with more ads to advertise your business. So that becomes customer file. Second is engagement. Here you can create a list of people, a custom audience you can create where you start collecting data of people who clicked, who engaged with your content. Okay, so any type of content which you're putting on TikTok, people who are engaging with it, that data will get collected if you create a engagement custom audience. Then app activity in the same manner. Here we can create a custom audience of people who have downloaded our app and who took specific actions such as purchasing from our app. So that can be another type of custom audience you can build out with app activity. Website traffic is going to be a custom audience where we are tracking those people who interact with our website, people who come to our website, take specific actions on our website. Lead gen is another type of custom audience where you can collect data of people who viewed or submitted the instant form, which we saw in the lead gen campaign. So that becomes another custom audience which you can create and then target them with your TikTok ads. Business account is going to be where you can create an audience who followed or interacted with your business account on TikTok. So if you have a business account, then you can create this specific custom audience. Shop activity is going to be a custom audience of people who took action in TikTok shops if you're managing. And then offline activity. Offline activity can be a custom audience of people who interacted with your offline events activity which you have done. So these are various types of custom audiences which you can create. Let's say, for example, website traffic, if you choose, then here you can choose how they had interacted with your website. Did they do a page view or they, let's say, did an add to cart, placed an order. So you can do multiple of them or single as well. And that is what kind of a user will be recorded, collected in this custom audience. Okay. So here you can provide the complete website URL. You can say equals, and you can give your website URL. And then you can give it a name, website audience, and create. So this becomes a custom audience which we have now created for website activity, where people who visit our website and perform certain actions, we start collecting that data. And this audience can later on be linked to any of the campaigns which we have created to target them with our ads. Same way, you have lookalike audience. Now, lookalike audiences are those audiences which are similar to our custom audiences. People who share the same interest as our custom audience, which we have. So now you can create a custom audience also. So here you can select, from here you can select, let's say, website traffic. Okay. And this particular custom audience can be used. So let's say we are creating a lookalike custom audience. So from here, now you can go ahead and create the custom audience and which will be targeted right here. So these are the two types of audiences which we can build out here, which can be very specific in nature and better conversion sales you can get from these types of audience targeting. Other than this, in the tools section, you also have the comment section, which basically helps you to manage any type of comments which you're getting on your ads specifically. Those can be done here. So what we can do here is you can select the specific ad, and then various things which you can do here is, like, for example, you can add a comment to a reply which you have got on the ad. All that is possible. Other than this, you have blocked words, where if you can add certain words which you want to be, which will automatically be hidden from your ads on TikTok. Okay, so any type of comments which has these words, they will get blocked. Blocked users will be a case where after a user is blocked, any comment they made will be hidden online automatically. And similarly, you have replies as well, where you can add preset replies, which can be selected when you reply to comments on your ads, helping you to save time. So this can be automated replies, which you can build out, which can be quickly implemented whenever you get any comments on your ads. So that's going to be the comment section as well, which you can use. I hope it makes sense and you're able to understand these two features in detail. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next week.